Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial guide I want to show to you how to build up your own house with $12,000 guy. If you look around you can find this kind of concrete block for 50 cents a piece. If you want to build up your house with 30 feet by 30, you need about 1,100. So with you look around $11,000, you have all the block. You have the block guy, you have the main material. Brick is nothing. Alright? This is inside. Every 2 quarters of block, you do enduro wall guy. Alright? You only cut one side here and you bend. And you all the way. How many feet you want to go? 40? 30. Alright? You build it out the box. You leave the window, the door, where you want the window, what side you want. Alright, right here inside your toilet, alright? Outside here, you want to do a stucco, you want to do siding. Siding not good because this shit got fire easy. You do a stucco, you do a brick. Alright guys, you want to do brick. Same like you do with the block, alright? You see that? Just like that guy. Alright. Alright, this is how you build it with Portland cemento and mortar. Portland go here and mortar cemento go right here guy. Alright, you need 2 cemento. Maybe you need a 20 bag of mortar and 20 bag Portland. Alright, because you're going to use a mortar here, a Portland here guy. Alright, when you build the box first, remember every 2 quarters of block you're going to use the duro wall. In every 2 quarters you're going to use the duro wall guy. Alright, before you continue butter this block with Portland cemento, you're gonna do the wall like this, alright? You wanna bend down. You wanna do this you wanna left do the wall here every 16 inches, alright? Just like that, guys. Because that's, you see the metal here, called duro wall. Why? Because that's gonna, this is duro wall and this is bow tie. This is gonna tie both. The wall to build it up with blocks, and then when you finish here you do waterproof here, and then you're gonna come straight. You see that? And then you're gonna tie the brick right here guy. You see that? That's gonna be every 2 courses guy, because 1 course of blocks it will take a 3 line of brick. When you do 6, then you're gonna tie the bow tie already you have here to the brick. Alright guys, with very little money guys, your mattress never gonna be soaked with water. This carton, a hurricane gonna come, never gonna fly away, because you're not gonna use this shit there. You're gonna use concrete. Alright, how you gonna do the concrete? When you do it, you 8 feet high floor, very easy guy. You see it right here? Let's say this is your last course, 12, alright? You're gonna use 4x4. You're gonna come down, you're gonna cut your 4x4. You're gonna leave it, how much, what plywood you're gonna use? 3/4, 1 inch. Plus the 2x4 is going to go on top. Alright, right here going to be your plywood. On top on the 2x4 is going to come here, and then you're going to cut the other one to support. For here, 2x4 to support, and you're going to come here, the other 4x4, and then you want to use the plywood here guy, at this level. Alright, that level you're going to use, and then you're going to start to set out the rebars. Rebar gotta be every feet. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. and then one rebar. Easy, guy. You pay attention. You wanna build a house. The flame never gonna eat your money, and you wanna build a house for your children, guy. It's gonna stay forever, right? Your mattress never gonna be soaked with water, or the frame never, or the flame never gonna eat your mattress, guy. You wanna do stucco here, or you wanna do brick? That's your main material, guy. Using rebar in the corner, and the next you leave one hole. Boys, how many rebar? You do one rebar here, one here, and one here. All right, all the way up. With less than $12,000, guy, you have beautiful house. When you have the blocks, brick is nothing. And all this window, toilet is nothing. With $200, $300, you got everything, guy. The main way you look for your money to put the money together, to buy a lot, buy the blocks, the rebars, and you're good, guy. That's the only way you prevent and protect your family, protect your money. Wherever you want to work, it will make a sense. You want to work, and when you come back, all these cartons burner, your mattress burner, it do not make no sense go to work for garbage. Alright? That's your future, guy. Alright? I hope the tutorial help you. God bless all of you. Hasta la vista, baby. That's the main tool you need, guy. Alright? And you're gonna need 2 packs of this to hold your motor. When you do the brick or you do the blocks, you're gonna need this. Alright? You can rent it for $10 a day, motor mixer. Alright? Because mix the motor is very tough. You are renting of this. Save, guy. This is the main tool, guy. How much is it gonna cost? $10. And you got the tool to build the wall to protect your family. Alright? And no, never using window garbage. Using window with heavy 1 by 1 inch balcony. Alright? And metal, using metal for your window, right? You open the window and you have the balcony each window, right? So Mr. never gonna come back looking for your TV. You're gonna fuck him up when they find rebars in the window. Why you wanna pay insurance? When you have rebar welding, the guy welding the window, the balcony, you good, guy. Lady, you wanna build your own house with very little money? That block is very lightly, guy. Ladies, you can do it. Right? You just need a guy to mix your motor with the sand and the potron or mortar and put where you need it. You can lay the block, ladies. The 100 video down there show to you how to lay brick, how to use the level. Take your time, have fun, and be proud. You know, destroy the forest. You know, destroy the life. And you do something extraordinary for your country, no matter which country you are. Alright? Very easy to do this job, ladies. Very easy. Man. A lady 70 years old can do this job. A lady 12 years old can do this job. Very easy. It's absolutely nothing. You just need to use the level. Gotta be plumb here, and put the level here. Every block has to be, when you do the corner, the 4 corners, you do about 6 courses, right? Just like this. And then you run a line. That's absolutely nothing. This is a joke. Why you have to pay somebody, pay $10 an hour to lay block when you can do your own? This is very easy, absolutely nothing to do this. But you do something for the future.